Students, we have already completed 2 chapters from our EVS book. That is chapter 1, our body, and chapter 2, bones and muscles. So now it is the time for the revision. I will provide you the revision worksheet based on those 2 chapters. Now we have 4 sections in the worksheet. They are multiple choice, there is fill in the blanks, there is short answer questions, and there is long answer questions. We have combined 2 chapters, so it will be bit lengthy. But no need to worry. You don't have to complete it by today. Take your time, revise all the topics that we have covered already from the chapter 1 and chapter 2. Also learn the question answers of the exercise. But listen very carefully. It is not that you will only prepare the question answer of the exercise, but I have given some internal questions as well. So what you have to do? You have to be thorough while reading the textbook. Alright? I am giving you the time span up to Tuesday. On Wednesday morning, I will provide you the answer key of the worksheet. So you have plenty of time to prepare yourself. Remember, it is an evaluation of how much you have learned from those 2 chapters. So, you will complete the worksheet after you have done with the revision. Cause revision is our main aim, not the completion of the worksheet in one day or by today. So, take your time. Revise all the chapters, all the topics. After that, you will complete the worksheet. Now, you can take a printout of the worksheet, or if you can't, then just write the answer along with the question in your EVS copy. Now, for the long answer question, I have given some space. But if you require more, then draw some lines, then write your answer. And after you will finish the answer, then draw the diagram. And don't forget to label the parts. And one more thing, that I will provide you a PDF of the question answer of chapter 3. I will provide some short type of questions. So all you have to do is write down those few questions in your EVS notebook, and that is the work for you today. And complete the worksheet by Wednesday and give me a completion report on Wednesday evening. I will provide the answer key on Wednesday morning. So remember these points. Okay, students? Thank you.